Our countertop has arrived in the van that had a flat tire along the way. Thank God there wasn't an accident.
Yeah.
That must have been a tense moment, huh?
Yeah. It was pretty bad.
Yeah.
Driving pretty close.
It's on 101, just as they merged. Counter number 1. Yes, this is definitely the color that we chose. Quartz, light colors with a little bit of gold specks in it. Jose's marking where it needs to be cut to accommodate the sink. It'll be mounted underneath the countertop. And the structure here is a little bit too narrow for the sink to slide in.
Something like that. So this is a W2.
Well, it came out easier than I expected.
Okay.
Both pieces are out.
Yep. ¿Te tomas un gusto de longitud o no? Sí.
Is it a cleanup? So Jose, what's this you're doing?
This is rivets. It's gonna be for holding the sink.
Okay. Are they threaded?
Mm-hmm.
It's a quiet machine. I was expecting a snap or a pop.
Right. Cancelamos un jale, no, sí. Jueves, ¿no? El jueves sí cancelamos uno, pero el viernes no. No tela.
That's neat.
Cancelamos uno el viernes, no? We didn't cancel anything last Friday. Primero este. ¿Quieres que lance yo allá? Entonces acá. Ok. Ready? Sí. Actually, you left a little. Hasta allá, ajá. 1, 2, 3.
That's slick.
Yo abajo con la herramienta. Sí, sí, sí. Todo cae.
Any idea how much this slab weighs?
Give and take about 300.
300. Holy
to
cow.
400 pounds. I'm gonna set my corner right here flat.
Ok.
Y tú lo empujas.
Ok.
Y push it in. No quiero que hablamos mucho en español porque lo está filmando. Okay.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
2 more pieces, then the windowsill.
One, two, three.
Obviously, that's the sink countertop.
Let me use one, two. Okay.
Look at that. Almost perfect alignment. Oh, wow. Massive piece. This looks like the largest one.
Yeah, it's the largest one. ¿Quieres que yo cargue ya?
Okay.
Vete para acá.
¿Está bien? Con es que estoy saliendo el...
Me está doliendo, me estás preguntando.
Sí, sí, ¿eh? Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh, man.
Okay. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ah, ya. Ahí está. Muy bien.
Incredible.
Amazing. It's a much better fit than the old one.
Oh, this is
We can
gorgeous.
buy it.
Wow. Oh, we just have to keep it bare.
It's hard to do.
Oh, it's beautiful, Diane. So this is a very large kitchen they're needing to install with an island, but ours has a peninsula because it's a small kitchen. But we're okay with that. This countertop is beautiful, but it is flawed. There are some significant marks in it that are just eye-catching, and unfortunately, we are not going to accept it. Easy come, quickly go. All the countertops go back to the manufacturer because of those unsightly marks. Next time, we're going to inspect the countertops before they cut them and before they install them. Jose's going to put it back in the van. And don't pop a tire this time, okay? They got a 2-hour trip back to Kent, and it's already 6:30. You know, I should post this as a video by itself. the frustrations, and you guys do a good job. And this,
Thank you.
I'm sorry that this happened, but
Yeah, it's just, it happens.